So today we're gonna be changing our phone batteries and we're gonna be spending the whole day today without a phone.
Saya kata kena tukar motherboard. Kalau you ada rosak lah motherboard itu lah, motherboard you rosak kena tukar.
Mak, how do you feel, Mak? Good?
Excited.
Excited, eh?
Get a new phone by just changing the battery at like 10% of the price.
How much is your battery health?
76.
You might want to consider to trade on the device after you replace the battery. So yeah, all good. You can come back here later, same floor. Usually akan ada orang dekat depan take stock. They might need to verify your IC. All good. I'll see you later. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep.
We are having lunch first. After this we and then after this we're gonna go touch grass.
Hour one without phone.
I think Izzat's leftover because he doesn't want to kopek.
It's not even leftover though, Mak. No lah, sikit gila. Amba is eating my leftovers.
Ya Allah, dia ada bunyi.
Mi tu dah jatuh, Mak.
Mana?
Dah jatuh ke meja. Lapar member ni.
Red dash itu.
Hah?
Betul lah. Betul.
Mak naik train baik.
Dah solat dah kat my town. Sekarang kau apa? P39.
Dia dah tak balance bye.
Apakah ini je? Ferrari. Phoneless life. Kena print. We are back to what? We're here. Member nak popcorn pula. Aduh.
Many hours later.
So it's already 6:43. We just finished the movie just now. How do you rate the movie Thunderbolts?
6.5 lah.
6.5 lah. It's not bad. It's not bad.
But it's good.
How's your rating of not having a phone? Do you miss your girlfriend? Do you miss texting your girlfriend?
I mean, I know she's busy.
So no difference ah.
She's busy.
No difference ah like that.
Okay lah.
I had a wider lens before I sold it already. So it's actually easy to finish your few hours, get your new battery. Search phone baru lah. So they have actually settled changing our batteries, and the phone actually feels brand new because they took out the screen protector. For 419, I think it's quite good. It's just about 10% of the price of the phone.